Hello students, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. So welcome to online maths class, dear students. So I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay students, so what did we learn in last class? Dear students, so what did we learn in last class? Rotational patterns. Okay, so today we are going to discuss time patterns and tilling. Okay. Okay. So that students see the slide. So welcome to online maths class, dear students. So you already know rotational pattern. So once again we recall. So a rotational pattern is where the modified has been rotated and exists. The modified may be rotated and repeated at an angle. Okay, students. So today we are going to discuss about a time pattern. So a time pattern are used to show a group of times. Okay, so it is used to show a group of times. So that are list according to certain rule. Time patterns can occur when different increments of time are added or subtracted. Okay, added or subtracted. These increments can be in hours, minutes or combination of both. Hours, minutes or combination of both. Okay, see the next slide. So you already know format HH, MMSS. Okay, H means a time is based on a 12-hour system. AM and PM, ante-meridiem and post-meridiem. Okay, so see that. So height, okay, and yes, yes. So for example of, so 12 or minutes and seconds. Okay, so 23. So and next one HH and MM means time is based on a 24 hours. So this is the 12 hour. Okay, so now I write in the 24 hour HH and MM. Okay, so 12, sorry, 14 is the 15. Okay, students. So, see the next slide. So, students, you take a page number 95. Students, you take a page number 95. So, time patterns. Today, we are going to learn about time patterns and chilling. Okay, so time patterns. So, observe the time patterns and extend interval the last clock. So first one, see that. So first one, 12 o'clock. Okay. So next one, so 1 o'clock. So 2 o'clock. And what is the next one? So now we go to draw. Okay. Okay, ma. So I draw one clock. So 12, 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. So already we finished 2 o'clock. So now I draw 3 o'clock. So small hand. So this is the upper hand and this is the mini hand. Okay, ma. So we draw here 3 o'clock. Okay. So the time shown in the first clock is 12. Okay, am I right? So second one, the time shown in the second clock increased by 1. So second one is a 1 o'clock. So next one, so a time shown in the third clock is 2. So it again increased 1. Okay, so again increased 1. So hence a time shown in the last clock should be 3. So we draw a 3 o'clock. Okay, so it increased from 2 o'clock is the 3 o'clock. Okay, so first one, so the time shown, the first clock increased by 1 is 12 o'clock. time shown in the second clock is 1. So it's increased by 1. Okay. So the time shown is the third clock is 2. Okay. So it's again increased by 1. Okay. Hence, the time shown in the lowest clock should be 3. Okay, ma, do you understand? So now, so we draw a clock at a 3 o'clock. Okay, ma, do you understand? So, students, see the next one. So, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So, that is the correct answer. Okay, listen carefully, ma. Okay, students. So, observe the time patterns and extend them to fill the last clock. Okay, students. Listen. Okay, students. So, time patterns. So, observe the students. You take a page number 96. You take a page number 96. Okay. So, observe the time patterns and extend them to fill the last clock. Okay. So, first one. So, already we draw one clock. So, we change the time only. Okay, ma? So, listen. So, first one, so 12 o'clock. Next one, 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock. So, add 4, increase by 4. Okay, so, first one, 12 o'clock. Sorry, 1 o'clock. So, 1 o'clock plus 12 o'clock plus add. So 12, 4 o'clock. Okay. So 8 o'clock. Next one. So correct answer is 12 o'clock. Okay. So this one is the clockwise direction. Okay. Students, you take a sharpened pencil and ruler. Write fast. You have a time. So 5, 10 seconds only. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so time's up. Okay, so 12 o'clock is the correct answer. Okay, student. So next one. So second picture B. Okay, so 1 o'clock. So 3 o'clock. Next one is 5 o'clock. So increased 2. Okay, increased 2. Increases 2. Okay, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So 5 plus 2, 6 and 7. Next we draw 7 o'clock. Okay, so this is the hour hand and that one is the minute hand. Students, who wants to try? Okay, you understand? So increase 2. So first picture seen at 1 o'clock and second picture clock at 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock and next picture we draw 7 o'clock. Okay. So C and D, so homework for you. Okay. So next title, tilting. Students, take a page number 97. So next one is tilling. Okay. So when students see this slide. So tilling is a method. Okay. So allows a direction Tilling was introduced in 2000. Okay, so its model is used in the 2000. Okay, so what is tilling of soil? So tilling is actually form of deep. Okay, so that is necessary when a preparation a new garden. Okay, so it is also used in a maths. Okay, so dear students, you take a page number 97. Take a page number 97. Okay. So first one. So when a shape cover a surface without leaving any gaps between, it is called tilling. What is that? Shapes cover surface. Okay. Shapes cover a surface without leaving. So that is a main point. Without leaving any gaps in between. Without leaving any gaps in between. So it is called a tilling. Okay, once again. So when shapes cover a surface without leaving any gaps in between, it is called a tilling. Okay, so for example, okay, so this is unit shape. So rectangle. Unit shape rectangle. Okay. So non-tilling. So that's see there. So take a page number 97. So this is non-tilling. Okay. So in between gaps. Okay. So non-tilling and tilling. Okay. So tilling. No gap in between shapes. So first picture, no gap in between the shapes. So second picture, this is a non-tilling. Okay. Non-tilling. So gaps in between shapes. Okay. So next one. So types of tilling. You already know tilling and types of tilling. So once again we recall. Okay. So, types of tilling. So, first one, triangle. Triangle. So, that is a unit shape is triangle. Okay. So, unit shape is triangle. Okay. So, second one. Okay, ma. So, second one, rectangle. Second unit shape, rectangle. Okay. So, third unit shape, square. So these are the main tilling types of tillings. Okay. So first one, triangle. Unit shape is triangle. Okay. So right side is the figure. So second one, rectangle. So unit shape is rectangle. Okay. So third one, square. So unit shape is square. Okay. So do you understand what types of tilling? Okay. So next one. So take the shape that cross out the ones do not. Okay. So first one is tilling or not. So this is the non-tilling. Am I right? No. So it's the tilling. So you take the answer. So first one is take the correct answer. So it's a tilling. Okay. So second one. So it's a non-tilling. So you cross the line. So third picture, pick the correct answer. So it's a tilling. So fourth one is wrong answer. Okay. So fifth one is correct answer, tilling. And last one is wrong answer. So first, third, fifth is the correct answers. This is the tilling pictures. Okay, pick the correct answer, ma'am. So you have a 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, students. So, next, you take a page number, sheet number 98. Okay. So, tilling. So, first one, identify the unit shape that is the tilling by shaded. So, first one, already finished. So, unit shape, rectangle. So, second picture, you tell the answer. So, unit shape, second one. So, second shape is a triangle. Second. So, second one is a triangle. Okay. So, third picture, square. So next one, triangle. So next picture, rectangle. And next one is also rectangle. And triangle. And last picture, square. Okay, students. So first A. So this is the unit shape of rectangle. Second one unit shape triangle. So third one C. So unit shape square. So D unit shape triangle. So E. So this is unit shape rectangle. So next one unit shape rectangle and G unit shape triangle and H. So unit shape square. Okay, students, write fast. So next one, tilling triangles. So first one is homework for you. So complete the tilling patterns by adding more triangles. So second one, worksheet number 24. Students, you take a page number 99, worksheet number 24. So first picture, already first triangle finished. So next one. Okay, so you also draw. So complete the tilling pattern by adding more triangles. First sum, I finish. Second one, have a homework. Okay, so next one, tilling rectangle and square. Rectangle and square. So second one, B. So use the unit shape square. Okay, so we also draw. Complete the tilling pattern by adding more rectangles and squares. So have a time. So 10 seconds only. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so today we will learn tilling time patterns. So first one, time pattern. So observe the time pattern and extend to fill the last clock. Okay, first we observe the time pattern in the last clock. So first one is 12 o'clock. The time shown in the first clock is 12. So second clock, the time shown in the second clock is 1. Okay, it increases by 1. Okay, so the time shown in the third clock is 2. Okay, so it's again increased by 1. Okay, so hence the time shown in the last clock should be 3. Okay, so the last clock 3. So it increases from 2 o'clock. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock. Okay, see that. So first one is 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and next one 3 o'clock. Okay, so next, so tilling. So what is the tilling? So when shapes cover a surface without leaving any groups in between. Okay, once again, when shapes cover a surface without leaving gaps, any gaps in between, it is called a tilling. Okay, so tilling, no gap in between the shapes. So unit shape, rectangle. Okay, so second one, non-tilling. So what is the non-tilling? So it's gaps in between the shapes. Okay, so gaps in between shapes. So types of tillings are there. So first one is triangle. Triangle unit shape is triangle. Okay. So second one rectangle. So unit shape is rectangle. Okay. So third one square. So what is the third one? So square. See that. So unit shape is square. Okay. So students, do you understand today's topic? So time patterns and tilling. Okay. So today class is over. So the portion also over. So worksheet number 24 and worksheet number 25. Okay. Balance of our homework. Okay. So thank you students. Take care. Bye. So today what is today's topic? So time patterns. Okay. Time patterns and tilling. You already know time patterns and tilling. Okay. So thank you students.